Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. I just made a beautiful corn casserole. It is delicious. It's easy, cheesy, and I think you're gonna love it. Look at there. Try it for your holiday table. That's what I'm doing. And I think you're gonna love it. So I'm gonna show you how I make this while I go and enjoy this little plate of corn casserole. Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family, and I am working on side dishes for my Christmas table. And I want to make this one and try it out on my family, and I'm sure they're going to love it. And it's corn casserole, and you probably have all had one, or you know what I'm talking about. But I'm going to show you today how I want to do mine. So I've got a can of cream style corn. I've got a stick of butter over here melting. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. Cream style corn. I've got a can of kernel corn, whole kernel corn that I've drained. Let's put that in there. Now, what researching videos, this is not something I saw in just a regular corn casserole, but a can of green chilies. I like green chilies. Now, I use the mild ones. You can use what you want. And I'm going to put this whole can, juice and all, in there. And then I'm going to add, cutting up some bell peppers, celery, onions, and putting it in the freezer so you have it when you're ready to cook and when you need it. So I'm going to throw just a handful in there. You can judge how much you want. If you don't want any, that's fine. You don't have to put it in there. It's going to be your dish. So we're going to stir this together. Oh, it's so nice. And those bell peppers and those chilies give it some color. And the color just makes it more enjoyable. I don't want my butter brown, but you know what? It won't hurt if it browns. I'm going to add a box of Jiffy corn muffin mix. It's easy, it's quick. It's a little sweet, but I think in this dish, it's going to be quite all right. So we're going to put the whole box in there. There we go. And I've got 8 ounces or a cup of sour cream. Let's get that in there. Man, y'all, this is going to be good. Now, something I was thinking about, I wanted cheese, but I didn't know if I want to put it inside or on top. I think I'm going to put it inside. What do you think? This is just, I'm going to eyeball this. I think this is just a little over a cup. It's a combination of a Mexican blend and a cheddar American blend. It's all going to be good. I had packages, a little of this, a little of that, and I just put it all together, and let's use it. All right, now here comes the good stuff. We're going to put this beautiful melted butter in there. Whew. You can't go wrong with butter, can you? Now, I don't think I'm going to add any salt to this dish because we know cheese is salty, my butter is salted, and the vegetables, the corn, is going to be salted. So, and that's something that we can add at the table in this dish. So, but I do want to add, I think I want to add a little bit of black pepper. I'm just going to eyeball, sprinkle what I think I want. And that is maybe half a teaspoon. I use coarse ground black pepper. Ooh, this is coming out and looking nice. So I want a casserole dish. Go down to my next drawer. Let's get out, let's see, which one do I want? Let's get this. I think this will hold it. If it won't, you know what, we'll make a small pan. And I want to spray it so it won't stick. There's no point in making it if you can't get it out of the pan, right? So let's spray it with a little non-stick spray. There we go. And we're gonna pour this deliciousness right in there. Looky there. Don't that look yummy already? Oh, wow. Oh, that's the perfect size, wasn't it? Now, I've got my oven preheated to 350. And we're going to bake it 45 minutes, I think, is what it'll take. And we're going to check it at 45 minutes. And if I need a little more time, I can add some more. So I'm going to get this in the oven. And when it gets done, I'll come back and show you what it looks like. See, simple side dish. Y'all been with me the whole time. It's taken me less than 7 minutes to throw this together. I think our corn casserole is ready. What do you say we get it out of the oven and check it and give it a try? Hang on, let me get it. Oh, it smells so good in here. Oh, this is so, that's such a beautiful casserole. Let's turn this off. Look here. Look here. Now, see, if you wanted to, you could actually put some cheese on top, extra cheese, put it back in the oven, and let it melt. But I think we've got enough cheese in it. So what do you say we dip into this? It's going to be hot. Look at all that cheesy goodness in there. You can see those peppers. Looky there. See how pretty that plate is? Oh, it's so hot. We're going to have to wait a minute before we can try it. Whew. I think this is going to be a big hit on my holiday table. I know my kids like corn nuggets, so I'm sure they're going to like this. I'm going to serve this tonight for our dinner, and we're having cranberry beans. You've seen me make those before. And I'm frying some chicken wings. I'm going to fry it just like I do my fried chicken. And I'll link the recipe, the videos to both of those, the cranberry beans and the fried chicken. So I hope you'll check them out and try them if you haven't already. I think they're delicious. I've made up my own seasoning blend, and the recipe's in the fried chicken video for that seasoning blend, and I think you'll like it. Everybody that I've given some to has fallen in love with it. All that cheese. Let me get some water. All that cheese. Oh boy, is that good. I hope you try this recipe. I hope you try this recipe because I know you're going to like it. It's so simple to make. You were with me the whole time, and it's delicious. So try it for your everyday dinner. Christmas, you could have done it for Thanksgiving. Easter's coming soon. It'll be here before we know it. Just anytime you want a good side dish. I taste a little bit of sweet from that Jiffy cornbread, but you know, corn is a little bit sweet. So it works well together, and it doesn't need salt. You know, I didn't put any salt in it. I did the pepper, but it doesn't need any salt. I'm going to go enjoy this. So, but I appreciate you joining me today, and I hope you like this video, and we'll try it. Please share my channel. I certainly do appreciate it. Share this video for your friends, with your friends and family. Join me again. I certainly appreciate it. Thanks, everybody. See you soon. Bye.